Let's start our session. Good afternoon to everyone. I welcome all the participants and our eminent speakers on behalf of Agriculture Skill Council of India. I would like to thank you, our speakers and participants, to give their time to attend this webinar. Let me introduce our eminent speaker first, then we will take our session ahead. This webinar has been joined by Mr. Siddharth Tripathi and Ms. Smita Shah. Let me introduce Mr. Siddharth Tripathi. He has a wide experience of 19 years in service, and he has been working last from 6 years as a commissioner of MG Narega in Jharkhand. So he's having a vast experience in giving a progress in villages of our people, and he has also, cumulated at Deen Dayal Gram Swabhalan Yojana as in past experience. So with our second speaker is Ms. Smita Shah. She's working with Jaya Organic Yojana, and she has a vast experience in scaling, and she has done a lot of projects to uplift the rural areas, and dedicated field trainers are there to develop and to make their multiple members on various job roles within the same family. So welcome all, welcome our speakers. So I'll start with Mr. Siddharth. I'll request you, sir, you please, put some light on the skilling ecosystem, how we can, grow our skill ecosystem throughout the country. So being like we are celebrating our 75th years of independence this year. So with that, we are celebrating Azadi Ka Mahotsav. In that, sir, I request you to please go ahead and put some light in skilling ecosystem, and so that we can get to know much more about that. Mr. Siddharth, over to you. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I hope I am audible.
Yes, you are clear, sir.
Okay. इस वेबिनार को सुनने वाले सभी मित्रों को रांची झारखंड से जोहार. My special greetings to my co-panelist, Srimati Smita Shah and Ms. Ekta, who took pain for having me here. I also thank Mr. Rahul, who has given a very good introduction, and ASCI also to inviting me for this webinar. The topic that has been given to me is Gram Swavalamban. Basically, it is an experiment in poverty alleviation. Friends, though we are celebrating the 75th year of independence, on the scenario of poverty alleviation, the situation is not very good. Poverty is the most written and spoken word after independence. But so to say, till date, out of more than 6.5 lakhs villages, with government effort, we have not been able to alleviate poverty even from one village of this country. We have not been able to. So under these circumstances, today, I'm going to share with you my experience on poverty alleviation in rural India. So friends, poverty is multidimensional. You all will agree. A family may be poor because of any one of the following reasons that I'm going to tell you. For example, a family might not be having roof over its head. They are not having good education. They are not having proper skills. They don't have proper means to earn a living. They are not having good irrigation facility to have 3 crops in a year. Not clean drinking water. Having sick member in the family. The large family to support. Superstitions. Addictions in rural areas. It's also major cause of poverty. So poverty is multidimensional. A villager in a village lives his life holistically. एक ग्रामीण अपना जीवन समग्रता में जीता है. उसके बच्चे को अच्छी शिक्षा चाहिए, उसके घर में उसके माँ बाप बीमार हैं, उनको अच्छी हेल्थ फैसिलिटी चाहिए, उसके खेत को सिंचाई के लिए पानी चाहिए और खुद को पीने के लिए साफ पानी चाहिए, उसको बेहतर लाइवलीहुड ऑप्शंस चाहिए। लेकिन इन सारी चीजों को देने के लिए हमारे देश में क्या है, अलग अलग लाइन डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं। इरिगेशन का काम, खेतों में सिंचाई का काम करवाना है, तो ड्रिंकिंग वाटर सैनिटेशन डिपार्टमेंट का काम है आपको साफ पानी पहुंचाना। शिक्षा विभाग का काम है कि आपको गांव में बेहतर शिक्षा की व्यवस्था देना, तो हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट का काम है कि आपके घर के पास बेहतर हेल्थ फैसिलिटी देना। लेकिन इन सभी विभागों के बीच में आपस में कोई कोऑर्डिनेशन नहीं। मैं जान करके बाइलिंगुअल हूं, क्योंकि मैंने देखा है कंपोजिशन, तो रांची से भी कुछ लोग जुड़े हैं। मुझे लगता है सबको समझने के लिए इट इज बेटर टू बी इन बोथ द लैंग्वेजेस। अदरवाइज अगर आपकी कोई ऐसी कंडीशन होगी कि नहीं सिर्फ इंग्लिश में ही बोलना है, तो आई विल बी डूइंग दैट, नो इशू। In our system, there are different departments who are doing these work separately, and there is no coordination worth its name between different sectors. Dear friends, I often say that poverty is like the proverbial elephant in a dark room. जिसने पूंछ पकड़ ली उसको रस्सी दिख रहा है, जिसने पैर पकड़ लिया उसको खंभा दिख रहा है, जिसने कान पकड़ लिया उसको सूप दिख रहा है। आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई वांट टू से। शिक्षा वाले को लगता है कि मैं ही सबसे महान हूं, हेल्थ वाले को लगता है कि वो भगवान का रूप है, सिंचाई वाले को लगता है मैं नहीं हूं तो कोई नहीं है, और आपस में किसी के बीच में कोई कोऑर्डिनेशन नहीं है। मैंने सिर्फ 2-3 का ही नाम लिया, बाकी और भी। और द फैक्ट इज देन द पास्ट 75 years व्हाट वी हैव डन, लेट मी गिव यू अ डेटा बिकॉज आई हैव सर्व्ड इन द डिपार्टमेंट फॉर मोर देन 5 years. अराउंड अ मंथ बैक ओनली आई हैव रिटर्न बैक। इस देश में एक मंत्रालय है जिसका नाम है ग्रामीण विकास मंत्रालय, और उससे जुड़े हुए देश के सभी राज्यों और यूटीज में एक विभाग है जिसका नाम है रूरल डेवलपमेंट डिपार्टमेंट। अगर इन दोनों का बजट जोड़ दिया जाए, ग्रामीण विकास मंत्रालय भारत सरकार का और राज्यों के सिर्फ ग्रामीण विकास विभागों का बजट जोड़ दिया जाए, तो एक साल का बजट, कोरोना का बजट हटा दीजिए, 2021, 21, 22 कोरोना ईयर है, 19-20 फाइनेंशियल ईयर का बजट है 4,48,000 करोड़। आई होप एबल टू हियर मी प्रॉपरली। अगेन आई रिपीट, rupees 4,48,000 crore is the budget of just Ministry of Rural Development and affiliated departments of rural development in the states. I am not talking of many other ministries and departments in the state who are working in the rural areas for alleviating poverty in the villages. 4,48,000 करोड़ रुपए हम हर वर्ष सिर्फ एक मंत्रालय और एक विभाग का खर्च कर रहे हैं ग्राउंड पे। एंड दिस इज नॉट द एस्टेब्लिशमेंट बजट, दिस इज कंप्लीटली प्लान्ड बजट। 6.5 लाख गांव हैं, अगर आप प्रो राटा बेसिस पे डिवाइड कर दें तो इट कम्स आउट टू बी अराउंड 80 to 85 लाख पर विलेज, पर रेवेन्यू विलेज, माइंड माय वर्ड्स। और अगर बाकी विभागों का बजट जोड़ दें तो ये कुछ करोड़ हो जाएगा हर वर्ष। 75 साल से यही बजट हम खर्च कर रहे हैं। पहले अगर पैसा कम था, इतने लाख करोड़ नहीं थे, तो उसकी वैल्यू ज्यादा थी। आज पैसे का वॉल्यूम ज्यादा है, तो आज के 20 साल पहले से उसकी वैल्यू कम है। तो लगभग एक ही वैल्यू का पैसा हम पिछले 75 साल से खर्च करते आ रहे हैं, और रिजल्ट क्या है? नॉट इवन अ सिंगल विलेज, लीव अलोन विलेजेस, नॉट इवन अ सिंगल टोला, हैमलेट्स have been made poverty free, are swavlambi, are, in the words of Honorable Prime Minister, Atmanirbhar in the past 75 years by the government efforts. This is the result. तो मैं इसे कहता हूं कि सिस्टम का, गवर्नमेंट सिस्टम का जो पॉवर्टी एलिवेशन का चेहरा है वो लहूलुहान है, क्योंकि 75 साल में हमने एक टोले से भी गरीबी नहीं हटाई। और मैं गरीबी हटाने का मतलब ये नहीं कह रहा हूं कि आप उस गांव में BMW दे दीजिए सबको, ऑडी दे दीजिए। मैं मारुति 800 की भी बात नहीं कर रहा हूं जनाब। मैं तो सिर्फ इतना कह रहा हूं कि शिक्षा की बेहतर सुविधा दे दीजिए, स्वास्थ्य की बेसिक फैसिलिटी दे दीजिए कि बर्थ के समय एक बहन की जान न चली जाए, खेत को 3 पानी दे दीजिए, गांव में सहकार की भावना हो, नशा ना हो। जो 7 स्टार होटल और 5 स्टार होटल में ब्रांडी पी रहे हैं, मैं उनकी बात नहीं कर रहा हूं। जो गांव में नशाखोरी हो रही है वो ना हो। इतनी सी चीजें अगर आप कर दीजिए, वो सिर्फ अपने खेत से उगा करके अपने गांव में खा सकें, डिस्ट्रेस माइग्रेशन ना हो, तो मैं मानूंगा कि यहाँ पे गरीबी हट गई है। इतना भी नहीं अभी किसी गांव में हो पाया है सरकारी प्रयास से। अगर कुछ दर्जन गांव में हुए हैं तो वो कोई व्यक्तिगत प्रयास है, किसी अन्ना हजारे के, किसी पोपटराव पवार के, किसी श्याम सुंदर पालीवाल के, किसी इलंगो रामास्वामी के। कुछ नाम मुझसे छूट जाएंगे, ये जरूरी नहीं कि मैं यहाँ सबका नाम ले लूं। What I wanted to convey is the huge money that is being spent by government machinery. The result is big zero. You know why? In India, I am a bureaucrat, and I know because the biggest advantage or experience that I consider I have in the past more than 20 years of working in a state like Jharkhand, my cadre is कि मैंने अंदर से सिस्टम को देखने का अनुभव मिला कि इतना पैसा खर्च करने के बाद भी हम इफेक्टिव क्यों नहीं। डू यू नो व्हाई? मैं ब्रॉडली बताऊंगा क्योंकि समय की अपनी सीमाएं हैं। Our system, government system, which spends colossal money in poverty alleviation, right from planning commission days to now Niti Aayog days. Poverty alleviation is understood as a function of government system. उनको ये लगता है हम ही गरीबी हटाएंगे, बाकी किसी का काम ये नहीं है, वो कर भी नहीं सकते, ये सिस्टम समझता है। During 80s, they realized that उनके यहाँ चोरी भी होती है, करप्शन भी होता है, लीकेजेस भी होती है। तो उन्होंने कहा कि ओके, now the poverty alleviation is a function of my efficiency also, कि हम कितने एफिशिएंट हैं। In 90s, somebody told them, academicians, कुछ पढ़ने लिखने वालों ने बताया कि भाई पीपल पार्टिसिपेशन नहीं होगा तो गरीबी नहीं हटेगी, तो उन्होंने उसको भी जोड़ लिया अपनी गाइडलाइन में। बट इन प्रैक्टिस, आई एम ए प्रैक्टिशनर, आई एम स्टिल इन गवर्नमेंट सेवा सर्विस, आई एम ए पब्लिक सर्वेंट। इन प्रैक्टिस इन इंडिया मोस्टली पीपल पार्टिसिपेशन इज देयर ओनली इन द गाइडलाइंस, इन पेपर्स। हम कभी गांव में नहीं जाते ये पूछने के लिए कि आपकी जरूरतें क्या हैं, हम कैसे उसमें मदद कर सकते हैं। हम पूछते हैं कि मैं आया हूं, मैं आपको ये देने आया हूं। इट इज एज इफ आई नो द विलेज बेटर देन देम, आई एम ऑन द ड्राइविंग सीट एंड दे आर टू सपोर्ट मी। होना ये चाहिए कि मालिक ड्राइविंग सीट में हो एंड वी द पब्लिक सर्वेंट्स आर देयर टू सपोर्ट हिम इन हिज एंडेवर। लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता है। सो माई टेक इज दैट इवन टुडे people participation is there only as a lip service in the paper, in the guidelines, and not in practice. What we found after working for more than 19 years in the villages, let me tell you, मुझसे ज्यादा शायद इस देश में कोई गांव नहीं जाता होगा पब्लिक सर्विस में। मैं every week I am a day or two in a village. वीडियो भी मुझसे ज्यादा गांव नहीं विजिट कर पाता है। तो विद दैट एक्सपीरियंस आई कैन टेल यू, ग्राम स्वावलंबन जो हमने समझा है पॉवर्टी को, अब मैं आपको फिलॉसफी बताने जा रहा हूं। वी कंसीडर पॉवर्टी एलिवेशन एज ए फंक्शन ऑफ पीपल फर्स्ट, लाइक 90% इट इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ पीपल पार्टिसिपेशन एंड 10% ओनली other factors. I will tell you what are others. In Gram Savalamban, we divide poverty alleviation in two parts. Please give attention. This is the basic philosophy before Gram Savalamban, our poverty alleviation program that we undertake in Jharkhand. Under in only one district. At present, it is running only in 80 districts because of Corona and all. So we consider education in two parts. First part is by community only, and second, those works for which community needs outside support. This outside support could be government support or maybe some NGO also. Anybody can do that. Now let me tell you the first one. What community can do on its own. And government can't do. Government इसमें कुछ कर ही नहीं सकती है। Government के प्रयास से ये कार्य संभव है ही नहीं। What are those works? Addiction free village. गांव में नशा ना हो, गांव completely स्वच्छ हो। My villages are mosquito free. Can you imagine in city रांची हमको शाम को अपना घर और ऑफिस की विंडो बंद कराने पड़ते हैं। but my villages जहाँ पे गाय हैं, जानवर हैं, अन्य चीजें हैं, पानी है, वो हमारे मॉस्किटो फ्री है। स्वच्छता के हमने 5 आयाम बनाए हुए हैं: झाड़ी मुक्त, ग्रे वाटर फ्री, प्लास्टिक फ्री, गोबर गड्ढा, and the 5th one is ODF, what you call खुले में शौच से मुक्त. Weekly Gram Sabha, where we do Chintan meetings. We sit together and decide what we are going to do in our village in the next 1 week and take stock what we have done in the previous week. Unity and organization. This is our focus in the village. A small family. Government can't do. दीवालों पे नारे लिखने से कि हम दो, हमारे परिवार छोटे नहीं हो जाएंगे. We will have to work on that. Dispute free village. Government machinery just can't do. Early marriage free. बच्चियों की early marriage ना हो, बेटे और बेटी में फर्क ना हो, सुपरस्टिशंस ना हो, चाइल्ड लेबर ना हो, 100% बच्चों का एनरोलमेंट हो और ड्रॉप आउट ना हो, केमिकल फ्री एग्रीकल्चर हो, जेंडर इश्यूज, all these issues that I have enumerated just now, there could be many more. Government machinery cannot address these issues. These issues can be addressed only by the community and community itself. Similarly, there are certain issues for which village community may need outside support. For example, road infrastructure, electricity, irrigation facility, livelihood infrastructure. कोई गांव वाला है, उसको हो सकता है एनिमल शेड चाहिए हो. Credit support. I don't want grants. I just want, in certain cases, interest-free loans. We will pay back. We are self-respecting people. We don't want our people to be living on doles. We don't want to make them beggars, like many of our schemes where we just give them anything for free, make them. Health and education infrastructure and facilities. So what are these? For these facilities, village communities might need some outside support, capital support, but what I just enumerated in the first book, government machinery can't do anything. Just the villagers can do in their village. So under Gram Swavalamban, we focus on people and the community first, and in a very, very scientific manner. It is not just sloganeering. In a very scientific manner, with certain modules made, we prepare the community to take the responsibility of the issues faced by them. Be asking, what is the roadmap? So now I'm going to tell you how exactly we roll out. So under Gram Swavalamban, what we do? There are 2 pillars in Gram Swavalamban. One is block level mentor, and the second one is prime mover. In Hindi, we call Lok Prerak. Lok Preraks are essentially ladies, didis, and BLMs are a mix of both the genders. How we select the prime movers or Lok Preraks? They are essentially from a neighboring district, not from that district. We select from those didis whose kids are grown up. They are not nursing mothers. They are 10th or 12th pass. They are articulate. They are ready to live in a village in a neighboring district. And there is a 4-week, 1-week cycle. Please listen to it carefully. We take their services for 4 weeks, and then we give them a break of 1 week. For 4 weeks that they are with us, they are not allowed any leave, no chutti. Dashahara, Diwali, Chhat, Bada Din, Chota Din, no chutti in those 4 weeks. Basically, they adopt that village as their child. They are mother to the village. 2 prime movers or Lok Preraks are nested together, and they are responsible for 2 villages who are nearby. 1 BLM, 1 block level mentor teams up with 6 Lok Preraks who are responsible for 6 villages. Training and Lok Shikshan goes on every month. For every 4 weeks that they are with us, we first give them some, and then we put them in the village. In the first cycle, the training is for 10 days. क्योंकि आप किसी गांव में जाओ और आप बोलो कि हम गांव को गरीबी मुक्त करने आए हैं, तो गांव दौड़ा लेगा आपको. आप क्या बोलें, ये बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो हमारे पास जो मॉड्यूल है, probably it was prepared for the first time in the country, how to introduce even villagers to this idea. DLMs are minimum graduate, mostly simple graduate, are agriculture, are diploma holders also. मैं किसी भी व्यक्ति से ये काम करवा सकता हूं बशर्ते कि उसका एटीट्यूड हो ये काम करने का. मजाक में मैं कहता हूं, if a person is not a born idiot, I can make him an excellent block level mentor and Lok Prerak as an agent of change in the village. They are paid honorariums. Second cycle onwards, this training is for 2 to 3 days depending on the module, and then the 27 to 28 days remaining of 4 weeks they spend in the village. They are there in a rented accommodation and live in their village, adopt that village as their own kid, and the different modules in which they are trained are Gram Sabha, health, different aspect of health, immunization, maternal health, child health, reproductive health, family planning, institutional delivery, anemia, TB, leprosy, vector-borne diseases, non-communicable diseases, Swachhata, Shramdan, nutrition, education, Jal Sanrakshan, Van Sanrakshan, natural farming, livelihood, social issues, all these issues we are training every month, and then they are going and taking the village along with them. Exposure visit is also included, that is also part of the training. So basically, the entire darshan of poverty alleviation is three-pronged. One, invest your time. My dear friends, poverty alleviation cannot happen from national capital, state capital, district headquarter, or from even block headquarter. अब हमारे गांव वैसे नहीं है जैसे 100 साल पहले थे. जेंडर, रिलीजन, पॉलिटिक्स, हर चीज में गांव बट गया है. अब उनको साथ ले आने के लिए आपको गांव में रहना पड़ेगा, अपना समय देना पड़ेगा. तो फर्स्ट इज इन्वेस्ट योर टाइम. सेकंड इज टू ऑर्गेनाइज एंड यूनाइट द विलेज. गांव को संगठित और एक करना है. इट इज वेरी इजी. लेट मी टेल यू, आई हैव डन इट इन मोर देन 80 villages we are at present, and they are on different geographies also. Some in parts of Palamu, some in Ranchi, some in Khunti. And third one is Lok Shikshan. Lok Shikshan means not that one fine morning I clear some competition and then go in the village and think that I have all the wisdom and I will tell them what to do. The villagers know their village better than what I can know in my lifetime. Only thing is that they might not be so articulate. They might not be speaking in English. They might be speaking in their own language, in vernaculars, in colloquials. So we must respect their knowledge and we must build on what they have, not give something that is completely detached from what they know exactly. Now I have devised certain indicators also, how to measure success. So first, as I told you, we work on social issues, regular weekly meeting of the Gram Sabha, where everybody, even kids, participate. 4-year, 5-year kids, they also discuss how village is becoming poverty free, how we are going to decide what course we are going to take in the coming weeks and months for sake of our village. Collective daily cleaning of the village space. You know, Indians are considered as cleanest people on the planet simply because we have habits of taking bath daily. It's a luxury in many parts of the world. They don't take bath every day. But India used to be considered one of the dirtiest country on the planet before few years. You know why? हम अपने को तो साफ कर लेते हैं, अपने घर में भी झाड़ू लगा देते हैं, लेकिन शहर हो या गांव, अपना कूड़ा अपने दरवाजे के बाहर पलट देते हैं. भले वो अपने घर के सामने ही नाली को जाम कर दे और फिर बारिश में वहां फ्लडिंग हो और फिर हम सब मिलकर के म्युनिसिपैलिटी को कोसेंगे. This is our culture. That is what we are at present. Unfortunately, it should not be. And इसको ठीक किया जा सकता है. Unfortunately, हमारे एजुकेशन सिस्टम में बहुत सारी कमियां हैं, जिसकी वजह से हमारा नेशनल कैरेक्टर नहीं बन पा रहा. रेगुलर श्रमदान, अल्कोहल फ्री, dispute free, no child marriage, no early marriage rather, no child labor, small family, gender issue, superstitions free, chemical free agriculture, like this, I have made 125 indicators to measure the growth of a village on path of Atmanirbharta, Swavalamban. Do you know, I have also, because many of you might be somebody consultant of World Bank, somebody consultant of some UN body, keep on coming. और सब आदमी कोई जो एसडीजी पढ़ रहा है वो एसडीजी बोल रहा है, जो एमडीजी पढ़ा था वो एमडीजी बोल रहा था, तो बाकी बहुत सारे लोग तो सिर्फ अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं, जमीन पे काम करने का कोई अनुभव है नहीं। लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली उनके भी अपने कंसर्न्स हैं। तो उस पे भी मैंने देखा है आउट ऑफ 17 एसडीजीज माइंडेड अंडर दिस ग्राम स्वावलंबन we are addressing more than 14.5 indicators without spending even a penny on infrastructure. How? I will tell you. Then after social issues लगभग 6 महीने में एड्रेस हो जाते हैं, are addressed, then we take up indicators like health and nutrition. और उसमें भी सारे indicators एक साथ नहीं लेते हैं, only certain indicators we take up. For example, 100% immunization. दिल्ली में बोला जाता है कि VHND डे मना लो, लेकिन गांव के बच्चे को आंगनवाड़ी में सारे टीके नहीं लगते हैं। लेकिन अगर गांव चाह जाए तो सारे टीके लग सकते हैं, बिकॉज इट इज यूनिवर्सल प्रोग्राम। सिर्फ गांव को संगठित और एक कर दीजिए, इन तमाम फैसिलिटीज का यूज वो कर पाएंगे। सिमिलरली 100% इंस्टीट्यूशनल डिलीवरी, एनीमिया फ्री विलेज, बोथ गर्ल्स एंड मदर्स बोथ, फ्री फ्रॉम मॉल न्यूट्रिशन। ये सारी हैबिट चेंज करने की बात है। पहले एक स्टडी हुई है झारखंड में मॉल न्यूट्रिशन बहुत कॉमन है। मोर देन 65% ऑफ विमेन आर मॉल न्यूट्रिशन। 40% बच्चे हमारे स्टंटेड होते हैं और उनकी सही ग्रोथ नहीं होती। सीवियरली मॉल न्यूट्रिशन सैम मैम बच्चे हमारे यहाँ होते। अगर हम पहले जब वो उनकी डाइट डाइवर्स थी, जंगल से भी तमाम चीजें वो खा लेते थे, तो उनके अंदर मॉल न्यूट्रिशन नहीं था। जब से पीडीएस का सिर्फ चावल उबाल करके खाना शुरू कर दिए हैं, अब हमारे यहाँ ट्राइबल बेल्ट में बड़े पैमाने पे मॉल न्यूट्रिशन। तो दिस इज आवर ओन क्रिएशन। वी हैव गिवन देम फ्री, बट वी हैव नॉट मेड देम अवेयर अबाउट द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन। यूनिवर्सल हेल्थ एजुकेशन बाय रेस्पेक्टिंग लोकल कल्चर, ODF, TB, leprosy, malaria, filaria, dengue, chikungunya, all these things we are making them aware. Even tobacco. Then indicators on education, 100% enrollment of all boys and girls in school, no dropout, 100% enrollment in higher secondary. Villagers are hiring teachers for their own kids. Even this Corona time, many of our village communities have hired teachers so that education doesn't suffer. Probably some of the only village schools that have run in the past more than 1 year, 4-5 months since Corona has come late March 20. Village library, teachers training and orientation. We have roped in some of the best pedagogists of this country who are working with us. Even one of the RK Mission monks, more than 86 years of age, at present he is in Ranchi guiding us on value education. And the syllabus is being made in such a manner that even a class 1, 2, 3 student in our schools know how to do composting and how to make biogas plants. Yes, biogas plants, I am telling. If you want to see, come to Ranchi, I will show you. On Jal Sanrakshan, our villages, here we take help of a universal program called Mahatma Gandhi Narega. Once a village unite and get itself organized and decides that they will not become middlemen in their own works, nobody, no government system can do any hanky-panky things. So what we do, we have devised such a beautiful technique that in a state like Jharkhand, where average rainfall is 1200 to 1300 millimeter per year, we conserve 1 crore liter of water per hectare every year. 1 करोड़ लीटर पानी हम कंजर्व करते हैं 1 हेक्टेयर में, जब हम अपने अपलैंड को ट्रीट करते हैं झारखंड में, रिस्ट टू वैली अप्रोच, बिल्कुल वाटरशेड अप्रोच में हम काम करते हैं। एंड माइंड माई वर्ड्स, आई एम ए सिविल इंजीनियर फ्रॉम वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इंस्टीट्यूशन इन दिस कंट्री। हमने सिविल इंजीनियर से भी बात की है, प्रोफेशनल से बात की है, हम फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी लेते हैं कि 90% रन ऑफ रोकेंगे, 80% रन ऑफ रोकेंगे। यू कम टू झारखंड, I will show you a technique where not even a drop of runoff is allowed to go out of the village. टाण के पानी को टाण में रोकते हैं, गांव के पानी को गांव में रोकते हैं, नाले के पानी को नाले में रोकते हैं. Even Honorable Prime Minister has mentioned this in his Mann Ki Baat around 2 years back. No borewells. We have privated borewells for irrigation purposes. Only borewell is allowed, that too in a decentralized manner, for drinking water. We used irrigation wells for irrigation purpose. So our slogan is Gram Swavalamban. Similarly, in agriculture, our focus is chemical-free agriculture. We prepare compost by all households. We prepare Amrit Jal and use it. Soil health card, water budgeting and water use efficiency is part of our annual planning in the villages. And by this, we have increased the agriculture density in our villages from an average of 120% to more than 250%. Hold your breath. पिछले 4 सालों में हमने झारखंड में लगभग 4,500 एकड़ आम के बागान लगवाए हैं इसी अपलैंड में, और इसी के साथ साथ झारखंड के प्लेटों में हमने 4,500 एकड़ में लगभग तरबूज और खरबूज भी लगवाए हैं. अनफॉर्चुनेटली इस साल सेकेंड वेव के पीक पे किसानों को थोड़ा घाटा हुआ है, बट इवन देन नथिंग डूइंग. हमने खूब खाया है, खुद खाए हैं. क्रॉप रोटेशन, integrated pest management and all those things we have taken up under agriculture. Similarly, in forest, what are the indicators? If they are natural forest, we do Raksha Bandhan in forest areas. We conserve the biodiversity. We prohibit open grazing. No cutting of trees. Stop use of axe. Kulhadi Bandi गांव में लागू होती है. No encroachment in forest. No illegal approval of FRA in our villages. No forest fire in the forest areas in the past more than 4 years where we are doing it. Protection and assisted natural regeneration is also our own, because ये जंगल हमारा है, जंगल रहेगा तो पानी रहेगा, हमारे नदी नाले जिंदा रहेंगे. This sensitization must be there in the villages. And if natural forest is not there, we will plant in the forest areas also, village commons also, along roads, farm forestry, agroforestry, horticulture plantation, wadi plantation, fuel wood and firewood, all those areas. We are planting. Even today, a village is planting more than 11,000 plants with the help of Institute of Forest Productivity and ISAFAR Institute here only. They are giving them the plants. Similarly, in livelihoods, high value agriculture, horticulture with local seeds, vegetable cultivation. Not that we don't use hybrid seeds. I don't say that at present we are at that level. We are using hybrid seeds also, and we are conserving our local seeds also. Piggery, fishery, goatry, duckery. Can you imagine in a village, the most poor family, जिसके पास 1 इंच जमीन खेती की नहीं थी, जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ वेज अर्नर था, 2.5 साल के अंदर उसने न केवल अपनी गरीबी दूर कर दी, बल्कि अपने गांव को स्विफ्ट डिजायर कार खरीद करके गिफ्ट कर दिया अपनी ग्राम सभा को. If you want to see that kind of transformation, come to Ranchi, I will show you. This is what I am doing for the past more than 19 years. NTFP, then मूरी बनाने की. मूरी कहते हैं चावल के भूजे को. I don't know what you say. बंगाल से नजदीक है तो यहाँ पे मूरी बोलते हैं. उसकी मशीन छोटी छोटी है. IIT खड़गपुर की तकनीक है. 15,000 रुपए में आती है और एक गांव 2 गांव को बड़े आराम से सपोर्ट कर देती है. और अभी हमने शुरू नहीं किया है. रूरल एंड कल्चरल टूरिज्म इज आल्सो इन आवर radar. We will do that also. Financial inclusion. सारी स्कीम्स लॉन्च हो गई हैं, लेकिन उसका यूज नहीं हमारे गांव के लोग ले पा रहे हैं. हमारे गांव में चाहे पीएम जनधन योजना हो, प्रधानमंत्री सुरक्षा बीमा योजना हो, जीवन ज्योति बीमा योजना हो, मुद्रा हो, बैंक लिंकेज हो, we do it very sincerely और 100% वो रिटर्न करते हैं. I can see that I have taken almost 30 minutes. I will finish in 1 minute. Similarly, processing, marketing और infrastructure पे भी जब ये काम हो गए हैं, then we approach the government, and what I see is that government system में भी हर तरह के लोग हैं, अच्छे और बुरे, unfortunately दोनों survive कर जाते हैं हमारे system में, but बुरा आदमी भी उसको भी तो 2 साल 3 साल इस विभाग में रहे, क्या की they also come to our villages and try to do good work. One fine morning, somebody from agriculture department came to one of our villages and he said कि हम आपके यहाँ फ्री में ड्रिप इरिगेशन लगाना चाहते हैं. We wanted to have drip irrigation, और वो 60 एकड़ में ड्रिप इरिगेशन लगा लिया. हमारा पूरा का पूरा गांव जो एक फसला भी ठीक से नहीं था, वो 3 फसला हो गया. वो बुला के कभी मैंने पूछा तो कहा सर और जगह करते हैं तो वो यूज नहीं करेंगे तो I think I have already 31 minutes. Any questions after my panelists, Srimasa, Mrs. I will be able to answer.
Fine, sir. Thank you so much for giving us such a vast, enlightenment of what are the challenges there are in villages right now, and how can we overcome with these challenges. Definitely, sir, there are 70% of our country's population lives in rural area, especially in villages, and there is a lot of need and support should require from government to mobilize as well as empower the people who are living in rural area. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your enlightening words. Now I would like to invite Miss Smita. To please enlighten your views on skilling ecosystem and in rural upliftment. Mr. Smita, over to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Rahul. First of all, I would like to say thank you to Sri Tripathi for such a wonderful, wonderful program that is being constructed by him. And I would request ASCI, as well as any government official, any university professor, anybody who is listening now, to completely imbibe what Sri Tripathi has been telling us and try to multiply it and take it across the country. I am sure Sri Tripathi has ways and means of replicating this program in many places. Now, coming to myself, what I want to say is that many things that Sri Tripathi is saying, I have found as an NGO. I'm from civil society. Sri Tripathi is from the government. I am from civil society. And I have also found somebody's mic is hissing and humming. Kiska mic sound kar raha hai?
I request everyone to please unmute. Hello, can you please mute? Yeah.
Somebody is not speaking, but the mic is squeaking.
Yeah, it's over now. And you can proceed,
Yeah.
please.
Thank you. I'm sorry it was distracting me. So, okay.
Kill somebody's mic.
Okay. So what I found through my practice is that I've arrived at a similar kind of experience as Sri Tripathi has been arriving at. His is from the government viewpoint. Mine is from civil society. I have been working in various initiatives, doing what I want, planting trees, ye karega, wo karega, since 40 years. But I started a registered NGO for this purpose of soil rejuvenation 6 years ago.
Hello.
Or 7, 8 years ago. In 2014, I started with an organization called Jaya Organic Yojana. I'm just sharing my viewpoint. Hopefully it will throw some light in what I'm hearing from Sri Tripathi. Because I'm not able to see on my screen, I'm seeing your worm image, Vikas.
Rahul, can you give me the video access, please? Hello.
Okay, I'm seeing Jaya Organic Yojana.
The
on my
logo is
screen.
visible. The slideshow.
The slideshow is visible, but I am not visible.
It's on the slide actually. It's on the computer. It's in the side screen. You are visible.
No, in the side screen, I see Vikas. Chalo chalaenge. So Jaya Organic Yojana was started in the name of my mother, Srimati Jayaben Shah, who was a passionate environmentalist herself. I think we will just keep moving right along. Vikas,
Yeah.
we can see only you, we can't see me. So we'll move right along with the screen. And what we started with was soil rejuvenation, because essentially, I believe that everything begins in the soil. Just in 1 teaspoon of soil, there are more microbial lives than there are human beings on the planet Earth. And over the years, because of the last 7 decades of chemical fertilizers, the ground has become so hard that no rainwater can even enter the ground. So this was our starting point 6 years ago, when we started by distributing vermibeds to farmers so that they could make vermicompost. At this point in time, vermicompost had a really bad reputation. All the people in the universities would say, vermicompost, wo to failure hai. Government would say, vermibed diya, wo to village people are not even using it. But the reason was that whenever people distributed vermibeds, they neither gave the training nor did they give what was required. So we started giving training as well. And we found that the simplest of women could make wonderful vermicompost. Of course, they needed to sieve it, there were techniques, and most importantly, they needed to use worms, earthworms, either Echinna foetida or Euryalus eugenia earthworms. So along with giving vermibeds, it's very important to give training and to give earthworms, and in the correct way at the correct time. If you do that, you get wonderful vermicompost that can increase your productivity multifold. Sunflower gives 20% more yield. Tomatoes, it can sometimes give even 300%, but vegetables and chilies gives 40%. Cotton gives 60% extra yield, all from using self-homemade vermicompost, which completely frees the farmer from dependence on store-bought poisonous chemicals. As Jane Goodall said, who would imagine that it's a good idea to put poison in our food? So leaving that apart, this is how we started. Next slide, Vikas. So when we started, because vermicompost had such a bad reputation, we thought that it's best to start in many places at once so that there'll be a ripple effect. So these are the districts in Karnataka where we started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 districts. At the same time, we started small projects to spread this idea of rejuvenating soil. Because essentially, I had my beginnings in rainwater harvesting. Next slide. So as we did this vermicompost training, what we found is, one, we had to keep sending the trainer back again and again. We had to send the trainer to explain how to do the installation, to keep the what materials to put inside. 30% cow dung, 50% brown waste, 20% green leaves, because green leaves give nitrogen, and so on. So first we had to teach the people, help the people to gather the correct amount of correct materials. Then it has to be mixed and kept for 20 days. Then only you can put in the correct type of earthworms. Then it takes 90 days to form the first time the vermicompost. Then after that, how do you use the vermicompost? So like that, we found that our trainer तो छोड़ता ही नहीं है, वहीं है, उसी जगह में है. तो like that we decided कि एक ट्रेनर को 50 फैमिली को डेडिकेटेड बना देंगे, और हर हफ्ते one trainer will visit a family every week for 10 months through 2 seasons to make this happen. So Bajaj was kind enough to give us motorcycles, but scooters for the women, we had to buy our own. Here we have the women riding scooters, because one trainer told me कि हम बस में चले जाते हैं, मगर 3 किलोमीटर कभी चलना पड़ता है, 5 किलोमीटर चलना पड़ता है बस रूट से. तो we tried to get them vehicles to reach the last mile. So फिर it is easy for, here we see Chintamani, to reach the lady beneficiary Bansi Mato in her village, in her home, to give her practical understanding. But what is more important than giving all this? Just as the Tripathi said, it is the people who matter the most. Priya, your mic. It is the people who matter the most. The banner at the back says, Apni Khushali, Apni Zimmedari. We have to be responsible for our own progress. Once the people understand this, change becomes dynamic. Change is not a theory. Change is not a university professor's knowledge. Change is not a UN SDG directive. Change is in the hands of the people. And as soon as we understand that, as soon as we don't say empowerment as if it's a nice fancy word, empowerment, as soon as we truly permit the people to take their own lives in their own hands by facilitating knowledge and understanding, things change. Next. So I started, of course, in 1987 with rain harvesting. This is a YouTube connect. You all can see it anytime. Next. फिर EDP in India, ये वो वगैरह सब कुछ आपको YouTube में मिल जाएगा. But here we see community ponds. This, as Sri Tripathi said, conserve water, slow the speed of water as it goes to the sea. When rainwater comes, because 70 years of chemical poisoning has made the ground so hard, make trenches in your lands. Avail the Manrega program by doing community action, by holding Gram Sabha meetings, by the community deciding कि ये मनरेगा का पैसा हमारा पैसा है, ये मनरेगा का काम हम खुद हमारी जमीन में करेंगे और पानी बचाएंगे. So you have soil, you have seed, and you have progress. So this here is a slide on all the work we did. Once in Gulbarga, we got a small grant of 9 lakhs and to train 100 women. But there we were assessed. Also, this was an NSDC grant. We got assessed by Deloitte and we got amazing assessment because our trainers were there. Because our trainers were there for a long time and from almost the same area, we got a sense of community ownership. We were reaching the last mile, they said, with a variety of knowledge. We brought in technology and innovation, and the staff had a grassroots touch and they were enthusiastic and dedicated. And who were these staffs? These staffs were not graduates, they are 10th standard pass. In some cases, they are 5th standard pass. But as Sri Tripathi said, once we put them through a great deal of training, and Sri Tripathi's program is quite different from ours. We have not done his training. We look forward to doing it. But whatever we were trying with continuous dedicated trainer going for a whole year, none of this 6 week skilling, 180 ghante ka skilling de diya, all that kind of thing, which is the fashion nowadays. And most of the skilling that is done in this country, let me tell you, is just supplying good staff that is trained, that is clean, that speaks English, that wears proper clothes, that knows how to go to the bathroom. Those people are being supplied by the National Skill Development Corporation to make large corporations get staff. We should actually spend our money in the villages, for the villages, not in industrial proliferation, which in any case, even the capitalists have now understood that there is no point in pillaging the planet because of climate change. So we got actually a 96% result. Continue. And we were happy to give a certificate, which was given by ASCI and NSDC. Or yahan hamara bhi naam aa gaya, Jaya Organic Yodna. We were very, very happy. And that was the vermicompost course that has now become accepted by everyone as a proper course. It's no longer considered a failure. Vikas, can you hear me? Can you go back a slide?
Yeah. This one?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
enough. So that one, AGR something, 1203, is an accepted vermicompost course offered in India. It's no longer a failure, it's a success. We did the course material, etc. And anyway, that doesn't matter. But what we found in this assessment, next slide, is that because they were assessing, the ASCI was assessing on tablets, we suddenly realized that these women are completely adept. All the answers they're giving in the tablets. And the assessor was so nice. He personally grilled each and every woman. And the wonderful thing was that he found that they all understood their subject. And these are the SHG groups that we formed there. And we gave them very distinctive ID cards. Every group has a different flower, so they get an ID. So there is empowerment not only by giving things, there is also empowerment by design. One of the other things that I've always been passionate about is medicinal plants. I've also been doing interventions to plant trees from seeds because seeds are everywhere. And you don't need to have conferences to decide what kind of trees and seeds to plant. Go back one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. You don't need to have conferences to decide what kind of trees to plant in which area. The seeds are there. If you give seeds to women and children and help them with simple logic that teak seeds need to be softened. Neem seeds will only germinate in the first week. And you can plant fruit trees. For many years, I lobbied with the forest department. कि fruit trees क्यों नहीं देते? They would say, go to horticulture. यहाँ fruit trees नहीं देंगे. अरे fruit trees भी दे दो. So now they give fruit trees as well. So keep going. One of my passions was medicinal plants. So that's one of the things I did. And here you see various villagers who are propagating medicinal plants. And these are bearers of knowledge. Who are there? They are children. Children are the seeds of change. So we focus a lot on working with the whole community in the village, that is the children as well as their mothers. Here we are distributing coconut trees, coconut seedlings, because coconuts are an avenue of earning. Slow down, Vikas.
Yeah.
Coconuts will give you an income of 60,000 rupees a year if you plant 20-30 coconuts. And if you plant an acre of coconuts, you'll make 1 lakh a year. This is complete freedom from the moneylender. It is village wealth. And coconuts have a lot of byproducts. So that will become an industry for the youth. But more on that later. Here we are just distributing, and then they made them take root. Go back.
Okay.
Here we have distributed vegetable seeds because companies are selling Terminator seeds. Even Mahindra and Mahindra is making Terminator seeds. Bayer is giving 50,000 packets of seeds in Ormanji block alone and Hazaribagh in Jharkhand. Bayer has bought over Monsanto. These are true dangers in the country, and somebody needs to sit up and take notice of it. Here we are distributing organic seeds so the village people can make their own seeds. Seeds multiply like nothing on earth. You can make millions of seeds. So here we have a community organic village seed bank. This one is number 7. We have 61 seed banks in Yellapura district, Yellapura, Mundgod and Ankola in Karnataka. Here we are packaging seeds, which we gift as a gift pouch with beautiful ribbon because it is precious. Seeds are precious. And when you give importance as a gift, any kind of hard-hearted person will understand that this is important. Next. So while we were learning to give multiple avenues of income to the village, because now we have started training the whole family. So what if the elders are taking care of seeds and some people are taking care of the wormy beds and the primary adults are understanding about organic agriculture and how to do multiple cropping, how to get a variety of crops for malnutrition. Sri Tripathi was talking about malnutrition. The way we deal with malnutrition is by training farmers to grow at least 14 varieties of vegetables so that they're not eating only dal and roti, dal and roti. They grow millets, they grow seeds, they grow pulses, they grow everything. And one of the other things that is easy to do and brings income is beekeeping. So they make their own honey, they have their own chickens. We have tailoring. Women get do tailoring. Here we learned that it's easy for women to become digitally literate. So we have computer classes, we have financial literacy. Here we see us distributing chickens at 0 interest loan. Here again, we have had no interaction with Sri Tripathi, but we have the same concept. He is thinking 0 interest loan. We are doing 0 interest loans here. Because what is one of the biggest dangers, hold on there, Vikas, is these, what are those companies called, Vikas? The financing companies?
Sorry?
There are people who come and give money in villages and all. Microfinance.
Microfinance.
Microfinance companies, biggest chores on the planet. They take 26% interest. And all of them are flying around and staying in hotels, executives. It's important to give 0% interest loans. 0 interest loans. Do not give free chickens, because then the people will not value it so much. And people get empowered by investing their own money and paying their money back. Here we have loans given for goats. So you have beekeeping, you have chickens, you have goats, you have multiple avenues of income. We give market links, we have tailoring, we have small industry, all kinds of things. And the target is for each family to earn 3 to 5 lakhs per year. It's quite easily possible. Even if only 50 families in 5 villages earn 3 lakhs a year, there is an annual circulation of how much? 7.5 crores in a small radius of 15 kilometers. This itself will revive the Indian economy and the village economy. So 0 interest loans. And as Sri Tripathi said, there's no need for one person to come and do health, another person to come and do gender, दूसरा आदमी आएगा ये करने के लिए, दूसरा आदमी आएगा वो करने के लिए. You just keep the same people involved with the same 50 families for 1 year, even 2 years. And most of all, there is no pretending, there is no lying, there is only dedicated change. Seeing is believing, doing is for real. In India, everybody is used to doing some lying, ऊपर से कुछ भी दिखाएंगे, अंदर से और कुछ स्टोरी है, वैसा कभी नहीं होना है. So this tree of joy also, I hope that Ekta and everyone will find it possible to send it on to people. I think we have become now, it's 4 o'clock.
Yes.
So can we get back to Ekta? Can we get back to Rahul?
Yeah, surely, ma'am. Thank you so much for your vast presentation, and your, you have enlightened a lot of things that Jaya Organic is doing to uplift the rural areas, whether it is in, digital literacy, vermicompost, distribution of seeds, goat farming, and many more things. So thank you so much for taking a time and sharing your work and your endeavors to make rural India to a new directions. Now I would like to ask my participants if they have some questions they can ask, and we have also received some of the questions. So I'll ask some of the questions so that we can wrap it. After that, we can wrap it close quickly. So the first question is that the participant has asked that how can we remove the rural migration that we have seen a lot of work the people of the villages are going to do to cities, but they are not doing in villages. So how can we remove or we can stop this rural migration? Mr. Tripathi, would you like to answer this?
Yeah. Thank you, Rahul, and thank you. Thanks to the person who asked this question also. See, यही वो चीज है जो मैं कहता हूं कि हम लोग पॉवर्टी को प्रोवर्बियल उस एलिफेंट के तौर पे देखते हैं जो अंधेरे कमरे में है, जिसका सब्जेक्ट जो है एग्रीकल्चर वाला अपनी नजर से देखता है, सिंचाई वाला अपनी नजर से, शिक्षा स्वास्थ्य वाला अपनी नजर से। आजकल कुछ इस तरह के भी हैं कि माइग्रेशन को भी स्टडी करते हैं। मैंने भी माइग्रेशन पे एक अच्छी स्टडी की हुई है, डिस्ट्रेस माइग्रेशन पे, जो झारखंड में होती है, बिकॉज वी आर बेसिकली एक्सपोर्टर ऑफ लेबरर्स। दिल्ली में अधिकांश घरों में जो मेड्स काम करती हैं वो शायद हमारे 2-3 जिलों की बेटियां जाती हैं, और हर तरह के एक्सप्लॉयटेशन भी होते हैं। मेरा ये कहना है कि इस चीज को हम जिन गांव में काम करते हैं, खूंटी जिले में, वहां सबसे ज्यादा माइग्रेशन होता है, लेकिन हम जिन गांव में काम करते हैं वहां माइग्रेशन रुक जाता है। जब आप अपने घर के आसपास उनको रोजी रोजगार के अवसर देंगे, तो कोई भी व्यक्ति नहीं चाहता कि अपनी बेटी या अपनी बहू या अपनी माँ को 8,000-10,000 कमाने के लिए विद सो मच चैलेंजेस दिल्ली या बॉम्बे भेजे। तो ये सिर्फ ये कहने के लिए कि कोई कैसे माइग्रेशन रोक दिया जाएगा, ये क्वेश्चन ही अपने आप में ठीक नहीं है, क्योंकि जब तक आप पॉवर्टी को हॉलिस्टिकली नहीं समझोगे, गांव में नहीं जाओगे, तो एक जगह से बैठ करके घर के लिए सही नहीं होगा। अलग अलग घर अलग अलग तरीके का माइग्रेशन करता है। कुछ लोग सीजनल माइग्रेशन करते हैं झारखंड में, वो जाते हैं काम करने के लिए बनारस में जो रग की फैक्ट्रीज होती है वहां पे। कुछ लोग भट्ठों पे काम करने के लिए जाते हैं। हमारे यहाँ से बड़े पैमाने पे बीआरओ में, बॉर्डर रोड्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करने के लिए जाते हैं, उनकी रोड्स बनाने के लिए। कश्मीर में जाते हैं, उसके आगे भी जाते हैं, जो आपका कोल्ड डेजर्ट है जहां आजकल काफी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स हो रहे हैं, वहां तक जाते हैं। तो आपको पहले माइग्रेशन को देखना होगा कि वो माइग्रेशन किस लिए है। एक माइग्रेशन वो है जो मैंने किया है, हमने विलिंगली किया है, हम बेहतर फ्यूचर के लिए किए। हम भी यूपी के रहने वाले आज झारखंड में आए, हमारे कुछ फ्रेंड्स यूएस गए, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ माइग्रेशन। बट एक माइग्रेशन वो होता है जो डिस्ट्रेस माइग्रेशन है, अपने रोजी रोजगार के लिए, खाने को नहीं है, गांव में कोई अवसर नहीं है और वो जा रहे हैं। कई जगह ऐसा भी होता है। मैं आपको एक और माइग्रेशन बताऊं कि मुंडा जी हैं, उनके पास 10 एकड़ जमीन है, अपलैंड है, सिंचाई की सुविधा नहीं है, लेकिन वो किराए का रिक्शा रांची में चला रहे हैं। इसको बहुत आसानी से एड्रेस किया जा सकता है अगर आप पॉवर्टी को हॉलिस्टिकली समझो और जाकर के गांव में हॉलिस्टिकली वर्क करो। सबसे पहले मैंने कहा कहाँ पे काम करते हैं, सोशल इश्यूज पे काम करते हैं। मैं इसको इस तरह से समझाऊं कि अगर डेवलपमेंट एक आपकी छत पे है कोई चीज और वहां आपको पहुंचना है, तो एजुकेशन में भी 4th लैडर, हेल्थ में भी 5th लैडर, एग्रीकल्चर में भी 6th लैडर। हम अपनी अपनी लैडर पे कूद करके वहां से उस छत पे पहुंचना चाहते हैं। नोबडी नोज व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट लैडर। फर्स्ट लैडर इज मोबिलाइज द कम्युनिटी, यूनाइट एंड ऑर्गेनाइज देम। और जो वो इश्यूज हैं जो मैंने कहा कि पॉवर्टी के 90% इश्यूज एड्रेस करते हैं जो कम्युनिटी खुद कर सकती है। नशा मुक्त कर दीजिए। मैं ऐसे ऐसे गांव में काम करता हूं जहां मैंने नशा मुक्त कर दिया तो 3 करोड़ रुपए उनके नशे में जा रहे थे, वो खत्म हो गए। एक गांव बोला कि सर हम लोग तो बहुत गरीब हैं, हम कैसे करेंगे। मैंने सिर्फ उनका तंबाकू का जोड़ लिया, छोटा सा गांव था, 30 घर का गांव था, 25,000 रुपए आ गए। मैंने मजाक में सिर्फ ये उनसे कहा कि आपके थूकने की कीमत साल की 25,000 रुपए और आप कहते हो आप गरीब हो। मैं तो नहीं खाता तंबाकू, जिसको आप खैनी कहते हो। आपको उनको बेहतर तरीके से समझाना होगा ताकि वो अपनी जो रिसोर्सेज हैं उनसे वो अपने रोजगार को प्राप्त कर सकें, बेहतर खाना कर सकें। कोई भी आदमी 5,000 6,000 कमाने के लिए बाहर नहीं जाना चाहता। इस माइग्रेशन को बेहतर किया जा सकता है, रोका जा सकता है। और अगर आपको इस चीज को देखना हो तो आई हैव ओपन इन्विटेशन टू whosoever is listening, even those who are not listening, your friends, you can come see for yourself and then go and start working in a village if you want to work on these issues. ये इश्यूज सिर्फ इरमा में बैठ करके, सोशल साइंसेज के इंस्टीट्यूट्स में बैठ करके, स्किल के दिल्ली और रांची के ऑफिसेज में बैठ करके नहीं हल हो सकता है। दिस इज माय अंडरस्टैंडिंग।
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable answer. The second question is one of the participants has asked that what are the solutions to make farmers' income double by 2022? Like Government of India has targeted that we are going to double the farmers' income by 2022. And what are the solutions? And is this target is feasible to make our farmers' income double by that year? Ms. Smita, can you answer this question? I request you if it's
Yes, it's with multiple inputs for the same family. You see, abhi kya hota hai ke the government may have a certain budget. In that certain budget will be siphoned off. फिर थोड़ा रहेगा, वो थोड़ा they have to distribute it. So they will say, in my area, for example, we have Ichhdag, Ukrid, Jiri and Ormanji. So they will say कि Ichhdag में 8 आदमी को 25,000 दे देंगे, जीरी में 6 आदमी को दे देंगे, ओरमांझी में 4 आदमी को दे देंगे, बीज के पैसे 25,000। फिर आएगा दूसरा कोई प्लांटेशन प्रोग्राम के लिए लिस्ट दे दीजिए। लिस्ट में किसका नाम आएगा, उक्रीद में इतने लोग, वहां के इतने लोग, उसको तो चांस मिल गया, अभी दूसरे को चांस देंगे। तो nobody is doing coordinated helping for one whole village. If you focus on a whole village and give them multiple avenues of earning and repair that village ka economy, that village itself will have a ripple effect and repair everybody else. So you need to give them goats, you need to give them trees, you need to give them horticulture, you need to give them chickens, ducks, fish, cows, aid to do proper agriculture, drip irrigation, Manrega programs. You give all these various items to the same different members of the family. Even NSDC has got a rule, okay, if you train one farmer in one skill, you cannot train them in one more skill. Bas ek skill ho gaya, aapka bari ho gaya. So what I had to devise to get across this problem of NSDC, I said ek family mein पिताजी को सिखाएंगे, बेटे को सिखाएंगे, दादाजी को सिखाएंगे. We empower even widows by giving them coconuts. So if the whole family comes together and all are inspired to give the best of their ability and all are given the aid, the skilling, what is needed to push them forward, then the whole joint family becomes an enterprise. And this is what I was also actually coming to when we started with this topic, which was transformation from small, impoverished, underprivileged, tiny farmers, the last poorest people of the country, they can become the wealthiest. The meek shall inherit the earth. ये तो हम सुनते आए हैं, 5000 से सुनते आए हैं, 5000 साल से सुनते आए हैं कि if these people today, while we live in these city plots, 30 by 40 feet, 50 by 80 feet तो बहुत बड़ा हो गया. These people have got 1 acre, 2 acre, 3 acre homes. Who would not like today in this age of climate change to have a home that has 1 acre of land and thousands of farmers, millions of our farmers, millions of our farmers have got 1 acre, 2 acre, 3 acre homes. Let us make them successful homes. These are people who can make their own fish, chickens, eggs, and their own vegetables. They can grow their own food, and they can become from impoverished, underprivileged to people with 3 acre homes. You and I, we can afford 3 gunta bhi nahi apna home ka.
Absolutely, ma'am.
Rahul, may I chip in?
Yeah, sir, you can, yeah, please.
राहुल, 5 साल में 2 गुना तो प्रधानमंत्री जी ने बहुत कम बोला है. 3 साल में 5 गुना किया जा सकता है. I have done it. और मैडम जया ने सही कहा, स्मिता जी ने सही कहा कि इसमें एक्टिविटीज के साथ साथ कुछ और काम करने पड़ेंगे. जो लीकेजेज है उनको भी रोकना पड़ेगा. झारखंड के किसी गांव में, और अब तो मैं कहता हूं कि शायद पूरे देश का ही हाल है, when we were kids, liquor was not flowing in the villages. Now liquor is flowing in the villages, and mostly spurious and other liquor, and most of their incomes is going in that. सिर्फ आप किसी गांव में लिकर बंद कर दीजिए, उनकी इनकम डबल हो जाती है, सेविंग डबल हो जाती है. ये मेरा अपना स्टडी है. And I invite anybody from ASCI, you have an office in Ranchi, go and see how within 3 years we increase the income of the villages by 5 times. Yes, multi activity approach sahi hai, because everybody is not having land, so everybody can't do different kind of agriculture. जिसके पास खेती है वो प्लांटिंग करेगा, फ्रूट प्लांट लगाएगा, बेहतर सब्जी लगाएगा, वेजिटेबल कल्टीवेशन करेगा. जो एक सब्जी करता था वो 4 सब्जी करेगा, उसको वो तकनीक सिखाई जाएगी, ड्रिप इरिगेशन की बात बताई जाएगी. कुछ लोगों को एनिमल हस्बेंड्री सिखाई जाएगी, एनिमल हस्बेंड्री में भी डिफरेंट चीजें बताई जाएंगी. कुछ लोग डेयरी कर सकते हैं, कुछ ऐसे भी हैं जो डेयरी के साथ साथ पिगरी कर सकते हैं, पिगरी के साथ साथ पोल्ट्री कर सकते हैं, उसी के साथ साथ डकरी कर सकते हैं, फिशरी कर सकते हैं. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, मैंने अभी आपको बताया ना कि जो सबसे पुअर आदमी है जिसके पास 1 इंच जमीन नहीं है, उसने अपनी ग्राम सभा को 2.5 साल के अंदर स्विफ्ट डिजायर कार खरीद करके गिफ्ट कर दिया. नोबडी, नन ऑफ अस, हम जो यहाँ बैठे हैं, हमने नहीं किया होगा. आई टोल्ड दिस टू माय चीफ मिनिस्टर. कैन यू इमेजिन? ही वाज कंप्लीटली इन आ कि ये भी हो सकता है, क्योंकि उनके अंदर ये भाव है कि कल तक हमारे पास कुछ भी नहीं था, आज हमारे पास कुछ लाख आ गए हैं, तो आप इसको शेयर करें. City people are in general not that large hearted as our village communities are, so they share their wealth also. Thank you.
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely right. So we are running short on time, and I request, so we'll take only last question from our participants. So the question is like, the participant come from a small village. The people of our village think that they will do by study. What will you do by study actually? And they are just telling their children to go and earn. So how can we change their thinking of our village people?
Hello.
Yeah. So I request to keep the answer brief.
Should I come in?
Yes, please, sir. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Since I am working in this area, अरे यार गांव वाले ही नहीं शहर वाले भी सोच रहे हैं कि पढ़ लिख के क्या होगा, जब सिर्फ डिग्री ही बंट रही है हर जगह, कोई स्किल है नहीं, कोई जानकारी है नहीं। आज हमारे पास हर रोज 5 आदमी आता है, कहता है सर मेरे बेटे को रख लीजिए। क्या करेगा सर? घंटी सुनेगा। कितने लोग घंटी सुन करके पानी पिलाएंगे भाई? ड्राइविंग आनी चाहिए, टाइपिंग आनी चाहिए, कुछ और कुछ तो आए। माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, ये इसलिए है कि हम अपना अतीत भूल चुके हैं। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हु आर अटेंडिंग, जस्ट रेज योर हैंड्स, जिन्होंने एंगस मैडिसन का नाम सुना है? ANGUSMADISON, गूगल करके पढ़ लो। 1 ईस्वी से लेकर के 1600 ईस्वी तक आपके देश की जीडीपी दुनिया की जीडीपी की 24% से लेकर के 34% के बीच में थी, एंड टुडे इट इज लेस देन 2.88%, somewhere hovering around 2.8. Why? क्योंकि हमारी शिक्षा का उद्देश्य हो गया है नंबर लेना और पैकेज लेना। बच्चे हैं तो कितने मार्क्स आ रहे हैं, और पढ़ लिख करके अगर गलती से IIT IIM में भी चले गए तो कैंपस में कितने का पैकेज आ रहा है। जब आपका उद्देश्य ही नौकरी करना हो गया तो फिर आपकी ये स्थिति तो होनी है। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर स्टडीइंग टू बिकम अ जॉब क्रिएटर? when the best of the institutions in the country, best of the institutes in this country, if they are preparing their students for as a job seeker, only God can save a nation of 1.38 billion. We are not doing this. इसीलिए मैंने कहा हम अपने गांव के बच्चे को जॉब सीकर नहीं, जॉब क्रिएटर बनाना चाहते हैं। And let me tell you, you come and see the kind of syllabus we have prepared. It is unique syllabus. Our students are not going to become a job seeker in the job market. They are not going to enroll themselves in the enrollment section of the employment exchanges. No. ये काम किया जा सकता है। ये तभी होगा जब आप सिर्फ डिग्री ले लेंगे और डिग्री हिलाएंगे कि मैंने तो BA की डिग्री या BSc की डिग्री ले ली है, मुझे नौकरी चाहिए। You are worthless. Create your worth. If you are an 18-year-old man or girl, you must be having certain idea to change this world. To change नहीं a world, to change a village. अगर आपके अंदर इतना नहीं है, you come to Ranchi, I will teach you. मुझे दे दीजिए ऐसे बच्चों को, I will make them विवेकानंद।
सर हम
ये
आ रहे
चीज किया जा सकता है।
सर, हम जरूर आ रहे हैं
जी।
We will also come, sir.
मुझे दुख होता है, मैं भी गांव में जाता हूँ, पूछता हूँ क्या करोगे? नौकरी। मैं समझता हूँ क्योंकि हमारी जनरेशन भी वही करके पढ़ी है। अगर किसी के अंदर कुछ बच गया है तो ईश्वर का आशीर्वाद ही है, अदरवाइज तो सिस्टम ने तो सबको खराब करने का जिम्मा ले ही लिया है। हमारे यहाँ स्कीम भी क्या चलती है, अपने पिताजी को पालने के लिए आपको पेंशन देंगे हम। अरे भाई, मैं कल मैडम को बता रहा था, अगर आप जितने लोग हमसे जुड़े हैं, आप सभी लोगों को मैं कहूं कि आफ्टर दिस वर्कशॉप आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू अ कैलिपर, विल यू यूज इट? If I say the caliper is made of gold, but you can't exchange it for money, can you use it? You will not use it because you have your limbs intact, most of you at least. So, my dear friends, अगर आपको हम कैलिपर पे ही चलना सिखाएंगे तो आपकी आदत हो जाएगी। अपने पिताजी को पालने के लिए हमें भारत सरकार की या राज्य सरकार की पेंशन योजनाओं की ओर नहीं देखना है। ईश्वर ने आपको हाथ पांव दिए हैं, you have got a brain, let us work, create jobs for others, don't ask jobs. हम ऐसा किया जा सकता है और ऐसा बड़े पैमाने पे इस देश में किया जा सकता है। Unfortunately, our education system has serious flaws. That is how we are becoming job seekers in this country.
Thank you so much for your answer, sir. So rest of the participants, if they have their question, they can email us and we will definitely try to answer your questions. With that, we will end up with this session. And at last, I would like to thank you, our eminent speakers, who have really given a wonderful, experience about the village, how are the endeavors they are making to make our country better. Thank you so much on behalf of
Rahul,
Yeah.
we need to thank ASCII, we need to thank Colonel Gupta, we need to thank Dr. Arya, we need to thank Ekta most of all, and we need to thank Vandana and all of you at ASCII. Thank you so much for doing this, and please do forward all the email questions that come.
Absolutely.
so much.
We'll definitely do. Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Sri Tripathi.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Namaste.
Thank you.